Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the prestigious Agricola Medal for 2026 from the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, of the United Nations at the FAO headquarters in Rome. The award was conferred in recognition of his exceptional leadership to address food security, sustainable agriculture and rural development in India and at the global level. Prime Minister received the award from Dr. Qiu Dongyu, Director General of FAO. He dedicated the honor to Indian farmers and the Indian agricultural scientific community, who tirelessly work to ensure food security and nutrition for Indians and for people around the world. He underlined that the recognition was a tribute to India's commitment to human welfare, food security, and sustainable development. Highlighting the centrality of agrarian life in India, Prime Minister emphasized that agriculture was a sacred bond between Mother Earth and the Indian people. He also highlighted initiatives such as Per Drop More Crop, micro-irrigation, precision farming, AI-based advisory systems, drones, remote sensing technologies, and sensor-based machinery in Indian agriculture. Prime Minister Modi's visit to FAO headquarters was the first by an Indian head of government in the last 30 years. The Indian recipients of the Agricola Medal, the only two Indian leaders to officially receive the named Agricola Medal, are Dr. Manmohan Singh in 2008 for his reforms in modernizing rural agriculture, Narendra Modi in 2026. Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. Headquarters: the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, is headquartered in Rome, Italy. Establishment: it was established in 1945. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations, UN. Membership: it has 195 members, including 194 countries and the European Union, EU.